Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can draft both sides of a piece in the part design workbench of CATIA, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the start, then mechanical design, then you click on the part design workbench, you enable the every design option, then you click on OK. Now you click on the XY plan, then you click on sketch. We are going to use the centered rectangle command. You are going to find it like this. Then you draw a rectangle. I'm gonna add a dimension of 200 millimeter here and 100 millimeter here. Okay. Next, you exit the Sketcher workbench, then you go and click on the pad command. Then I'm gonna go and add 25 millimeter here and use the mirrored extent option, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna click on the YZ plan, then click on Sketch. Now I'm gonna go and use the spline command. I'm gonna draw a spline like this, then I'm gonna exit the workbench, okay? Now I'm gonna go to mechanical design, then wall frame and surface design. Now I'm gonna go and use the extrude command. I'm gonna click on this plus sign. Then I'm gonna select the sketch 2. I'm gonna add here 150 millimeter. Then mirrored extent, then click on OK. Now I'm gonna hide the sketch 2. Then I'm gonna come back to the part design workbench. I'm gonna use the edge fillet. I'm gonna add an edge fillet here of 5 millimeter and also here, then click on OK. Now I'm gonna go to insert, then advanced dress up features, then draft both sides. For the neutral element, first side, I'm gonna select this edge. For the neutral element second side, I'm gonna select this edge or this fillet. Now, for the parting element, I'm gonna go and select the surface. And I'm gonna change the angle from 5 to, let's say, 10 degree. Then I'm gonna click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can draft both sides of this piece in the part design workbench of CATIA. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.